Today we're going to be cleaning all of these shoes. What's going on, guys? It's Jamie. Welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. Today we're going to be cleaning these shoes. I got some boots here, a couple pairs of Nikes, some New Balance Nikes, and these are some Ghost, what are they? Ghost Brooks, Ghost 8s, 9s. I think a 9. So most of these I picked up at the Goodwill bins. A few I picked up at Salvation Army and Goodwill. I've paid anywhere between $4 and $13. We're going to clean these all up and get them ready for sale on eBay. So now the only thing we're going to be using is just some regular dish soap, a soft brush, a toothbrush, and some Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. All these shoes, after I clean the bottoms here, will wind up going in the washing machine. These ones won't. I'm just going to clean up the bottoms as much as I can. We'll get them as clean as possible. But the rest of them should be all safe in the washing machine. So I'm going to clean them, basically clean the bottoms as much as I can, and then we're going to throw them in the washing machine and let it do its magic. So I think there's about 6 pairs here total. Let's start with the Brooks. These are definitely the dirtiest. So let's get going. Let's get the water. Some warm water. A little bit of soap. Now, don't be afraid to submerge these totally. They obviously are going to go in the washing machine anyway. So we'll start with one. I'm going to come over here and grab this brush, the brushes. We'll leave the magic erasers to the end. I'll show you what we're going to do with them. But to start, we're just going to take this soft brush. We're just trying to get all the dirt out of the bottoms, basically. To give you an idea again, that's what the bottom kind of looked like, just all crusted. I don't know what that is, just a big stone in there, I guess. So we're gonna try to get these as nice as possible. Not bad. Pretty good start. Now we're just gonna throw them right in this bag because they will go in the washer. Shoe number 2. So now with this brush, I'm just trying to get in all the little grooves. Now I don't want to spend all day on these, so essentially I'm going to try to spend about a minute on each each individual shoe. I think that's totally fair. You know, they're certainly going to be sold as used shoes. We're just trying to make them as nice as possible. These particular ones also do not have an insole, which I don't think is that big of a deal. But already a ton better with just a little bit of scrubbing. Okay, so getting a little bit messy, but that's good. And you know, we're just going to work away the rest of these shoes. These ones have more damage than I thought. It's unfortunate, but I'm just gonna have to disclose that in the listing. But let's clean up the rest of the shoes so we get them in the washing machine. All right, so we'll try to get a little bit of a before and after. So these ones aren't too bad. These are Zoom 20s. Yeah, okay. They're cool. Nice bottoms. Like, I didn't notice this wear when I was looking at them, but I believe these ones came from the bins, so not in them a ton of money. Let's get started here. Okay, so we have the New Balance Minimalist shoes. These ones are in great shape. I think they should look brand new, I think, when I'm done here. Pretty good too. I think they're women's size 11. Now, I'm not gonna really need to do a whole lot with these ones. Now with these darker colors, you don't have to get so invasive. The white really is what you're trying to clean up. And the final thing we're going to do is touch them up with a magic eraser, and that will make a big difference on any ones that still have some imperfections. Much better. There's still some dirt in there. What's that toothbrush? to the bag. Okay, so we're about halfway through. We've got a couple more Nikes here. And these ones are a little thicker, so they're not going to dry as well, but they're still going to wash up nice. These really thin shoes dry super fast. It's not a big deal. And like I said, we'll just hand scrub these guys. So let's get to it. Let's get the last three done. Okay. So the bottoms of these ones aren't too bad. Our water's getting a little bit dirty. That's okay though. Just trying to get as much of the dirt as we can out of them, basically. Not too bad. Still a little bit of dirt. Okay, so like I said, these ones are just a little thicker. I don't think it's actually leather or anything. But these shoes, I was surprised. I'll throw some comps up for these shoes as I'm cleaning them, just to show you what they're worth. Now you will see this here, this should clean up quite a bit. I will try to just wash it once. And if it doesn't seem like that comes out, I will just do it in the bathtub with some OxyClean, but I don't think I should need to be honest. They should come out pretty nice. Like I said, they are definitely gonna be sold as used shoes because they're used shoes. Yeah, pretty good. Happy with that so far. We're gonna try to get the rest of that little bit there with a magic eraser after we're done in the wash machine. Okay, last but certainly not least, we're just gonna hand scrub these guys. There's some pretty nice Columbia 600 gram boots. These boots probably retailed new for over $100. I'll probably still get like, I'll have to look up comps, so I'm gonna guess about $40 used. Definitely nice boots. There was some issues. I got these at the Goodwill bins. There's some issues here, like some of this is coming off, but there's no rips or tears. Definitely really good, really nice boots. Women's size 9, a good size. So let's clean them up and see what they look like. Okay, so we're gonna add some more water. And for this one, we're gonna use a cloth as well. I'm just using warm water. This is gonna start by rubbing as much of the dirt off as I can. I don't want to soak these, but at the same time, I do want to get the dirt off. You can see that already makes a pretty big difference. I haven't really scrubbed anything. I'm just wiping off just the dirt. Okay, now we're gonna go into the bottoms, scrub a little. This is all water sealed, so I'm not too worried about it. I just don't want to soak the insides of these boots. Let's see here, give a little wipe down. Now we're gonna let these dry, but I mean, overall, it is looking pretty clean for just a little wipe down. Like I said, it's got some imperfections. Bottoms are really nice. Try to get a little more of that soap off. These guys we're just gonna let dry. You know, there's a good idea. Before and after, just dirty, right? Nothing crazy. You don't want to spend a lot of time cleaning up a pair of boots or a pair of shoes or anything. You want to do the best you can. Like I said, they're going to sell at a used price regardless. So yeah, there we go. Pretty happy with that. We're going to let these guys dry. Okay, the time has come. Let's take our shoes and throw them in the wash machine. All right, so just gonna throw on a regular wash, and we'll see you when they're done. Okay, so out of the wash machine here, these are very nice, cleaned up. Still got some dirt, obviously. We'll go through these a little bit better in a second, but yeah, pretty happy, very happy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of this paper, and I'm just gonna stuff all the shoes to give them form. These are looking good. You know, I'm just trying to make sure when they dry that there's still form to the toes. That's pretty much why I'm stuffing them. Like I said, these ones were the worst, the ghosts, and they look pretty good. You know, I'm pretty happy with those. These guys, they never, you know, they always clean up well. There's still a little dirt in the bottom. This is where the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser is going to come in. I will show you a little bit. A lot of them, I'm not going to touch up these ones, but we can touch up these ones just a little bit. So this side has got the purple, but the white. So all you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. You know, there's not a lot we're taking off. We'll just take this little piece actually. It's gonna fall apart in my hand, but you can just see it's just eating away the dirt. It'll just help it look nice and fresh. It's not gonna be a drastic thing here. We're just getting rid of all the little dirt and stuff that's in the little nooks. I don't know if that comes through for you guys or not. If we take a look at one to the other, this is a little bit cleaner. And the more you work at it, it's fine, the better it's gonna be. Like I said, I don't like to spend too much time on used shoes. I just want them to look as nice as possible. Now the other thing you can use the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser for, I think on one of these ones here on the bottom, there's a little mark. I don't know if we can get it to go away or not. Let's see. It might be underneath of the plastic. Yeah, it's not coming off. These are super clean. Like I'm super happy how this turned out. I'm not going to spend any more time on these at all. But the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser is basically just for detailing. Today we're going to be cleaning all of these shoes. Now once again, I probably got, these were from the Goodwill bins. I probably got about $4 into these guys. And where's the other one? These were from the bins, $4 into these guys. These are throwing them around. These are the ones that have the imperfections. So like right here, I'm just gonna have to, in the listing, say that they're like that. I'm not gonna get as much as I would have liked, but they did clean up very nice. They are clean shoes. These ones I paid up, I think they were about $8. Same thing, maybe about 10. These ones I paid $8 as well. These ones were actually, I think comps on these ones were like almost $70. I was pretty surprised. What are they called? Moto 8. Yeah, they were cool. And then, like I said, these ones, we didn't even put these ones in the wash machine. Couldn't be happier with how they turned out. I will ask my wife if she wants to keep them. She doesn't have proper winter boots. These are her size. So we'll ask her first before I sell them. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. You know, I'm just spending my Sunday afternoon cleaning some shoes. Hopefully it gives you an idea of how you can clean shoes for eBay. It's super quick, super fast. I spent about a minute on each shoe, threw them in the wash machine. I did detail a couple of them with the Magic Eraser. Pretty cheap, pretty easy. They turned out pretty good. For used shoes, I'm super happy. I'm gonna list them on eBay this week. Hopefully I sell them. If I sell them, I'll do an update video of what is sold. You know, if not, you know, you can always check out my sold comps through eBay. But anyway, guys, take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.